Hello Hornets, we are with the Robotics team and we would like you guys to join our club and learn more about robotics. In our club, we will do some of the following tasks. We build a robot from scratch, designing and programming a robot, solve engineering challenges, and compete against other schools. We work together to build our robot and create a full team presentation.
Our club has multiple groups. We have 2 builder teams, Robot and Arena, programmers, marketers, and the notebook. Our programming team is the central nervous system of our robot. Our marketing team is responsible for getting Valley Center's high school's name out. Our notebook team documents everything we do so that the judges can score us.
The kickoff for the team is on September 12th, and the club will be meeting after school from September 14th through November 7th. November 7th is our competition day at WSU. Come check out our booth at the Shindig today for more information.